Today we're going to learn how to make Apple pay you, so sit back, relax and hit that like button. Continue watching until the end because I will share a secret tip with you the rich do not want you to know about. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, just a guide to how I manage my finances and invest my time and money. Question: iPhone or Android? Which do you think is better? Comment below. Apple Incorporated. Apple, founded in 1976, is now one of the world's largest tech companies. The global leader in cutting-edge smartphone technology, selling over 40 million iPhones in 2019 alone. Everyone wants a piece of that $1.53 trillion pie, and today we're going to find out how you can claim yours. Dividend investing. When you buy a stock in a publicly traded company, you become a shareholder. You own a small percentage of that company. The percentage owned is dependent on how many shares you buy. You are entitled to some of the profits made by the company. This is used as an incentive to retain shareholders. Each month or quarter, you receive money in the form of a dividend as a thank you for holding the stock. Apple stock. In this example, we will be using Apple stock. One Apple share is currently priced at $353.63 as of creating this video. Apple's dividend yield is 1.1%, which equates to 82 cents per share. Remember, this is not an exact figure as the stock price is susceptible to change. The dividend yield may also fluctuate depending on the profits made by the company. Step 1. Buy the stock. We need to buy some stock to be entitled to the dividend. Apple pays out its dividend every quarter, however some other companies may pay dividends monthly. You need to set up a brokerage account if you haven't done so already. This can be done easily as there are links to different brokers divided into regions in the description box below. Setting up a brokerage account is relatively easy and instructions can be found on the broker's websites. After you bought the stock, you can enjoy the dividend. It's this simple. 1 share equals 82 cents per quarter. 10 shares equals $8.20 per quarter. 100 shares equals $820 per quarter. And 1,000 shares equals $8,200 per quarter. You might be thinking, I need to buy a large volume of stock to incur such a large dividend payout, and you would be correct. $353,630 worth of Apple stock you need just to make $32,800 per year. Let's put this into perspective. Apple first began paying dividends in 2012 when the stock was priced at $98.75. This would have cost $98,750 to own 1,000 shares, which would have made you your $32,800 per year today. The aim with dividend investing, or stock market investing in general, is to play the long game. Oracle of Omaha Warren Buffett makes $3.4 billion in dividend income per year. That's just over $9.3 million per day. Consistently investing every month is the key to true wealth. As people live longer, this will be even more effective, especially if you begin when you're young. Recap. Find a great company. Buy the stock. Enjoy the dividend. It's this easy. Secret tip. If you've been watching up until this point in the video, it's time for your secret tip the rich do not want you to know about. Diversify. You need to keep this in mind when investing. By diversifying your capital amongst many different companies and industries, you reduce the risk of your investments. For example, Apple may stop paying a dividend. This is highly unlikely, however still possible. Therefore, it's a good idea to invest in multiple dividend stocks. Here are some great examples of dividend stocks. However, please do your own research on these companies before investing. Now you know, ladies and gentlemen, how to make Apple pay you. One day after implementing these principles into your life, you can witness firsthand how true wealth is built. If you learnt something here today, then I would kindly ask you to hit that like button if you haven't already. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified about all my future videos. If you want 2 free stocks worth up to £100 to £200, there is a link in the video description. Be sure to check out these videos on screen now, as I know you'll enjoy watching them. Also, don't miss out on all the fun things happening on my Twitter and Reddit. Cheers guys, and I'll be seeing you next time.